What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canayo again. Tonight we're coming up with another tutorial. I haven't done these tutorials for a while, so we're going to finish it up. Our tutorial we started a long time ago in JavaScript, but we never finished. So today is the day. Today is the night. So we're going to start talking variables in JavaScript. So what is a variable? A variable is a container that we create to store any data that we want. Yeah. By default, this container is going to be empty. It's going to be undefined. And how do you start typing a variable? So you start by typing var, and then you give it a name. The name could be letters, could be numbers, could be underscore, but make sure you don't start your variable with the number. It has to be letters first and then numbers. Okay. Like in this case, we're going to give it the name of A, and then we're going to do a bar of B. Then we're going to be a bar of sum, and then we're going to define the values over here. A equals 5. We got B equals 6. We got sum equals A plus B, semicolon. And then let's print the results. We're going to use a document that get element. We're going to use the ID right here that we have as a demo, and then inner HTML equals to sum. So this should give me the number 11, right? So let's see. Cool, we got 11. So this is the long way to do it, and also there's a short way how to do this. Let's just get rid of this, save that, make sure there's nothing in there. So the other way to do this, in the short way, you can just actually do the var, give the name, and also define the value at the same time. B equals 6, and then sum, var sum equals A plus B, and then that should give you the same results. 11. Cool. Now if you're typing, if you are working with multiple variables, creating multiple variables, you can do all of them in one statement. For example, using the same examples that we already have, you can do A, comma, you do B, comma, and you do sum, and then semicolon at the end. And then right here you just define it. You just do the A, it's going to be 5, B, it's going to be 6, and then sum is going to be A plus B. And that should give me the same results. I guess I didn't. Yeah, let's copy this, get rid of that for now, save it, just to make sure this is working. Okay, this is nothing. There's no results right there. Let's put it back, and let's save it. It should give me 11. Cool. All right. So thank you very much for checking the videos. If you have any questions, just do it in the comment below. Yeah, thank you. Like the video, and hopefully that helped you. This was just the basic in variables. Hopefully that helped you if you're starting your journey as a web developer. All right, thank you. Have a good night. Bye-bye.